What's your name again?
Charlie Cook.
Charlie.
C-O-O-K.
C-O-O-K.
Luto, Tagalog.
Cook.
Cook.
Charlie.
Cook.
Hey Charlie, this is Senior Joey from Boys Love Philippines. Ang tangkad mo, ang hirap
Yes.
magkadyan.
I stand 6'1".
Okay. For the benefits of my viewers who might not be familiar with you, kindly introduce yourself.
So, hi everyone. My name is Charlie Cook and I'm representing the province of Zambales.
So, there's a lot of male pageants. What made you choose MIPH?
Well, actually, when I was getting out of school, the director of Mr. International Zambales saw me walking down the street, and so he approached me and said, "So I can go to the screening and stuff." And at first I thought it was a scam, but then like he called me a lot of times, telling me that if I can go there, then so I made up my mind. And then I went to the screening, and then there's a competition called Mr. Zambales, and I joined there and I won one of the titles, which is Mr. Olongapo City, and so I was assigned to this competition, Mr. International.
So aside from pageantry, what makes you busy?
What makes me busy? Probably my work. I'm an English teacher part-time, and aside from that, I'm a computer science student in Colegio Nostra.
Wow! So how's your preparation here in this pageant?
And so ever since back in December, I won the title of Mr. Olongapo City. Ever since then, my management and I have been preparing for this competition, like almost every day.
Do you have any advocacy?
Well, actually, my advocacy focuses on street kids, helping the street kids, and at the same time, environmental stewardship. So, street kids, why? Because I want to continue what my mom started since 1989. So she has a foundation before that focuses on the street, helping the street kids, and aside from that, I'm also very close to the children, and so yeah, that's why I chose the advocacy.
Since you're one of the pretty face among the candidates, what do you think is your best asset?
I think would be my best asset would be my authenticity, because I believe in every pageant or in every kind of competition there is. I think the authenticity is the name of the game.
May mga insecurities ka pa ba?
Oh, I think
In your physical aspect.
I can say that I don't have any insecurities. We all have insecurities within ourselves, but that is something I'm working on at the moment.
Okay. If you don't mind, can I ask a question? Anong nangyari dito sa dito sa lower chin mo? Like parang merong
Parang may hiwa.
Yeah, hiwa.
I get a story from my mom.
What's the story behind it?
She told me that I was very immaculate when I was like 12 months old. So I bumped into like the bowl of the toilet, and so that's where I get that scar from.
Okay, can you describe yourself in 3 words?
I'll describe myself in 3 words. Kind, competitive, and amazing. So kind, why? Because yeah, that's what before I talk about helping the street kids. I think that I show kindness to them, and amazing in everything that I do. I always give my best.
Okay. As I have said a while ago, parang very stand out ka kanina sa stage. Given a chance na pumasok sa showbiz industry, sino yung gusto mong maka-work with or meron ka bang gustong ka-love team?
Actually, I don't watch a lot of TV, to be honest, so I don't know any artists or celebrities, but I know a few. Marian Rivera.
Oh, okay. Marian Rivera could do. Okay, so pwede mo lang, you can promote your social media and then pasalamatan yung mga fans mo who are
Hi, so
supporters.
everyone, thank you so much for supporting me, and please keep supporting me in this competition. And you guys are all with me. And so my social media, you can find me on IG Charlie Cook L, and then yeah, you can find me there. And also on Facebook, just search Joshua Charlie Cook.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Pa-picture na lang. Picturean mo kami, guys.